I'm here in South Bend, Indiana, not far from a Studebaker factory. This was a pretty big industrial hub. And this is another one of the abandoned buildings, warehouses. As you can see, it's in quite the disrepair. A lot of junk to clean up. All right, now let's go check out this building. When you're going around these places, you have to be careful. There's a lot of stuff that you, if you're not looking, could fall into. Perfect golden hour right now. Pretty gnarly. Okay. Hello. A bathroom. A little bit creepy. The floor actually feels pretty stable. Maybe someone was having a fire or it's molded out, but I don't want to be testing that. Okay. Now, let's get a look at the second floor view. Yeah. Evidently, we've had some pretty recent visitors who don't have the best opinions of 2020. Okay. So, that smokestack over there was the Oliver Farm Equipment smokestack. They were a huge manufacturer. Let's do some more exploring outside. Step carefully. Oh. Nothing more than a facade. Okay, up-de-doo. This building over here seems to be dealing with some fire issues. Hold on. Must have been quite the fire. Not a bad show. I say we get out of here. Easy peasy.